In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dotted lines using the stroke panel in Adobe Illustrator. We'll start by making sure you have something selected. Click on the object or path you want to style. You can use the selection tool to grab whole shapes or the direct selection tool if you only want to affect a specific path. If nothing is selected, you won't see any changes. So this first step is key. Next, open the stroke panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, and then select Stroke. This brings up the panel where all the line styling happens. In newer versions, you might also see these options in the Properties panel when an object is selected, but opening the dedicated stroke panel gives you the full set of controls in one place. With your object still selected, check the box labeled dashed line. This tells Illustrator you want to break the stroke into a repeating pattern rather than one continuous line. You'll see fields labeled dash and gap appear. For a dotted line, enter 0 in the dash field. Setting dash to 0 turns each dash into a dot. Think of it as a point placed along the path at regular intervals. Then set a value in the gap field, like 5, to control the spacing between those dots. The larger the gap, the farther apart the dots will be. The smaller the gap, the closer they'll sit together. You can try different values to get a feel for the rhythm and density that looks best for your design. The units match your document settings, so if your file is in points, those numbers are in points too. Now adjust the stroke weight to change the size of each dot, increase the weight to make bigger, bolder dots, or decrease it for a lighter, more delicate look. This is a quick way to fine-tune the visual impact without changing your dash or gap settings. As you tweak these values, keep an eye on your artwork at a comfortable zoom level so you can see the dots clearly. If you don't see any change, make sure your object has a stroke color applied and that the stroke isn't set to none. Also remember that these dotted strokes work on any path, shapes, pen-drawn lines, or outlines, so you can apply the same settings across different elements for a consistent style. And that's it. Select your object, open the stroke panel, enable dash line, set dash to 0, set your gap, and adjust stroke weight to taste. Simple, flexible,